The view here at Mandarin Oriental New York is not bottles of water, it is Central Park. Look at this. I'm on the 53rd floor. I can't believe the view. And I've got binoculars so that I can believe it. And somebody knows that I need blueberries. Oh my gosh, isn't this gorgeous? Lots of sockets, lots to read, more water. I'm going to drown. No, I'm not. Look at my bed. I mustn't drown because I love the bedside lights. So original. Diptych again. Good thing I don't have to wash my hair tomorrow because I don't like the spouts on diptych. Everything else in this room, in this suite, is absolutely gorgeous. Sockets by the side of the bed. Yes, Mandarin Oriental heaven here in New York.